Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 3.95% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 1.33% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.83% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Convex Finance proposes adding PayPal stablecoin PYUSD liquidity pool on Curve. Convex Finance is planning a community vote on adding a liquidity pool for PayPal's US dollar stablecoin PYUSD and USDC on Curve. The vote is currently at 100%, and it is set to conclude on December 8. Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer released, confirms Vice City return and full launch. Grand Theft Auto 6 has been released by Rockstar Games following an unexpected leak. The trailer confirms several earlier leaks about the game, including a return to the Miami-inspired locale of Vice City, set in the modern era. The game will also feature the series' first female protagonist. The release window is set to launch in 2025, indicating a considerable wait for the next open-world adventure. Grand Theft Auto 5, released 8 years ago, has sold around 190 million copies across 3 console generations. Square Enix releases first batch of Ethereum NFT heroes for Symbiogenesis game. Square Enix has released the first batch of Ethereum NFT heroes for its blockchain game project, Symbiogenesis. The characters have unusual names such as Egg and Starvation, which have sold for over $1,200 and 4 million worth of ETH, respectively. The game, created by Final Fantasy developer Square Enix, features 500 Symbiogenesis Chapter 1 character NFTs with real-world names like Condiment, Test, Ward, and Mountain Earring. Symbiogenesis is set to fully launch on December 21st as a free-to-play browser-based story game. Players will need an NFT hero to participate in a limited final game quest that determines the story's ultimate outcome. Forbes launches Web3 Hub and integrates under 30 list on Ethereum blockchain. Forbes has unveiled the Forbes Web3 Hub, which is an experiential and communal space for Web3 entrepreneurs, creators, and changemakers globally. The hub is described as a dynamic network for Web3 practitioners and offers unparalleled benefits and opportunities to shape the future. Forbes has extended its renowned under 30 list onto the Ethereum blockchain, which spans 20 diverse categories, including art, entertainment, retail, e-commerce, finance, and investment. The Under 30 series highlights the impactful contributions of young talents across various fields. This strategic move combines traditional media's credibility with the transformative capabilities of blockchain technology, and the Ethereum blockchain will permanently house the achievements and stories of young entrepreneurs, innovators, and leaders featured on the Under 30 list. The Forbes Web3 Hub and the Under 30 list integration showcases Forbes' dedication to fostering a supportive ecosystem for Web3 enthusiasts, while embracing innovative technologies to immortalize the achievements of emerging leaders. Mistral AI nears $1 billion valuation with Nvidia and Salesforce support. Mistral AI, a rival to OpenAI, is close to finalizing a $487 million funding round from investors including Nvidia Corp. and Salesforce Inc., valuing the company at around $1 billion. The funding round features over $720 million in equity from investors led by Andreessen Horowitz, which is in discussions to invest $200 million. Nvidia and Salesforce have agreed to contribute an additional $100 million in convertible debt. Mistral develops open-source software for chatbots and other generative AI tools, claiming to be less expensive and more efficient than its US counterparts. The company, founded by former scientists from Alphabet Inc.'s DeepMind and Meta Platforms Inc., has become one of Europe's most prominent AI startups. In June, Mistral raised a $193 million initial round. Solana's meme coin BONK hits new all-time high. Solana's dog-themed meme coin, BONK, has reached a new all-time high of $0.00000069 on Decrypt, with a 24-hour increase of 37%. The asset has experienced a significant surge in value over the past months, with its value now up about 752%. BONK was launched in December 2022 and has seen renewed interest and price spikes due to increased investor attention towards Solana, the blockchain on which the asset operates. The Solana ecosystem has seen a resurgence in enthusiasm, with SOL's value increasing multiple times over the past several weeks. Despite its recent growth, BONK still has a long way to go before reaching the multi-billion-dollar market caps of Doge and SHRB. Notorious B.I.G experience launches in the Sandbox Metaverse. The Sandbox Metaverse platform has collaborated with Warner Music Group and the estate of Notorious B.I.G to create a virtual area in the Brooklyn, New York-inspired style, called Breaking B.I.G, where players can interact with the rapper's non-playable avatar in a 3D, arcade-style world and complete quests. The experience is available for players on the platform and will include a new NFT avatar collection and updates to Warner Music Group's social hub. The B.I.G estate's Chief Strategy Officer, Elliot Osage, said the collaboration ensures the world built by the rapper continues to be enjoyed by fans. The game will also feature other celebrities like Elvis Presley, Snoop Dogg, Paris Hilton, deadmau5, and Steve Aoki. Ethereum NFT market transaction volume surges, new players emerge. The non-fungible tokens, NFTs, sector has shown contrasting performance in 2023. The Ethereum NFT market experienced a notable uptick in transaction volume, reaching an impressive 34.7 million, the highest figure since June 29. New players such as Blur Marketplace emerged as formidable contenders, with Blur commands an 80% market share. OpenSea trails behind with a mere 10%. NFT sales in Q3 2023 were the worst the market has seen in roughly 3 years, dipping below 300 million. However, the sector staged a comeback in November after a year-long downtrend. The NFT collections associated with gaming and the Metaverse also experienced significant drops. Controversy surrounds Optimism's public goods funding distribution. Blockworks reports that a backlash against Optimism's public goods funding has emerged, with some critics arguing that projects with financial backing should not receive the tokens. The Optimism Collective is retroactively disbursing approximately 37 million in OP tokens to those behind public goods in the popular layer Q. The voting on applicants for the retroactive public goods funding, RPGF, is set to end on December 7th. The Optimism Collective is giving out 30 million OP, worth around 57 million at current prices, to those behind public goods in the third round of the funding. Some community members want the Layer 2's RPGF to support those who work for free while excluding public goods providers with other funding sources, particularly venture capital money. The Web3 development platform Alchemy, which has raised over 5 million with participation from Andreessen Horowitz, Pantera Capital, and Lightspeed Venture Partners, is among the most criticized RPGF applicants. Societe Generale issues first tokenized green bond on Ethereum network. French banking giant Societe Generale has completed its first tokenized green bond issuance on the Ethereum network. The bank issued 1 million, 3.8 million, worth of digital green bond tokens, registered by SG Forge, Societe Generale's digital asset-focused arm. AXA Investment Managers, AXA IM, and Generale Investments purchased the tokenized bonds. The net proceeds of the bond sale will be used to finance or refinance sustainable activities. The issuance highlights the growing appetite of traditional financial institutions for using blockchain-based technologies, including tokenization and stablecoins. AXA IM, the asset management arm of French insurance giant AXA, purchased 1 million worth of bonds on behalf of AXA France using the Euro-pegged stablecoin EUR helmed by SG Forge as part of a joint blockchain experiment. France plans measures to aid homebuyers as interest rates impact real estate market. French government plans to extend loan maturity, ease restrictions on bridging loans, and grant banks more flexibility in determining whether to issue mortgages. New home loans in France have dropped below yuan billion, 0.8 billion a month, partly due to households becoming more cautious, and the Bank of France Governor Villeroy de Guilhard said banks could increase lending. HCSF officials said there has been a significant slowdown in credit distribution, but the total volume continues to rise, and a procedure will be implemented for potential borrowers to challenge loan refusals. Lloyds Banking Group receives 1.2 billion repayment from Telegraph newspaper owners. Lloyds Banking Group has received 1.2 billion from the owners of the Telegraph newspaper, ending the bank's involvement in a saga that has led to government investigations and sparked a nationwide discussion on freedom of the press. The repayment came from Penultimate Investment Holdings Limited, which indirectly owns the newspaper and magazine. Lloyds said it is keen to work constructively with customers who get into difficulty with their repayments to reach an amicable solution. The bank has written off the majority of the debt years ago, but analysts expect the repayment to result in a windfall of about 400 million for Lloyds and support a larger than expected share buyback. Fantom Foundation launches Sonic Labs Accelerator program. The Fantom Foundation has launched Sonic Labs, an accelerator program aimed at fostering innovation within its new Sonic technology stack. The program will select up to 5 projects, each receiving 1 million FTM, approximately $294,000, in funding, technical support, co-marketing, and mentorship, including guidance from Andre Cronje. Selected projects can begin building from December 15th and will be launched in sync with the Fantom Sonic mainnet in spring 2024. The program is open to all developers building new applications on Fantom technology, with evaluation criteria including vision and utilization of Sonic technology. The application deadline is February 6, 2024.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.